What's up, guys? It is Camacho. I'm back, and I'm so excited to review one of my favorite coins of all time. It is AI related, it is decentralized, it has been around for many years, has a huge market cap, starting to grow in price, backed by some of the smartest AI scientists in the world. What am I talking about here? What company or what crypto coin am I actually talking about? Let's jump right in. I'm talking about AGIX, AGIX, or Singularity.net, the pioneering the AI and AGI ecosystem, pioneered by Ben Goertzel, the AI scientist. Now, this one is unbelievable. This one is completely unbelievable. It blows my mind every time I read about it. And now that AI has been taking off, I think we are very well positioned to really run this coin up and to really build some very, very interesting AI technologies using this, and maybe even achieve artificial general intelligence by 2027. That is the latest prediction by Ben Goertzel, which I am super excited to dig into. Let's go. Let's do it right now. All right. So what is AGIX? What is Singularity.net? Let's jump in and let's see what this technology is and what it can actually do. All right, here we go. So pushing the AGI and AI future, right? Welcome to the next generation of decentralized AI. That's the vision. Now, the vision right here reads, SingularityNet is the world's leading decentralized AI marketplace running on blockchain. Our core mission is the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, for the beneficial technological singularity. And if you've been living under a rock for the last several years, the technological singularity is when computer understanding or artificial intelligence surpasses the knowledge, surpasses the intelligence of human beings, right? Now imagine, you've seen ChatGPT, you've seen all these other Claude, Gemini, you've seen all these AI tools coming out, but this is something that is going to blow people's minds. This is just the start of AI. As Ray Kurzweil is predicting, we are going to hit a point where we're going to hit a singularity, a technological singularity. He's predicting by 2045, we're going to be doing that. Well, Ben Goertzel came out and said he thinks that we can achieve artificial and general intelligence, AGI, by 2027. Pretty crazy stuff, right? Let's keep reading through this. Decentralized AI through emerging blockchain technology, creating a fair distribution of power, value, and technology in the global commons. He's trying to make it open source for everybody. Beneficial AI network. AI systems focused on making the world a compassionate, more just, and more sustainable place right now and in the future. AGI development, creating a foundation for the emergence of decentralized human-level intelligence, open sourcing the creation of artificial general intelligence. Unreal, right? So what are they doing? What are they up to? This has been around for about, since like 2019, 2018. I actually did a video a long time ago on this one. I wish I would have bought in a lot more with the recent price spikes, right? Which I'll show you in just a moment here. The AI marketplace and AI publisher, search, trial, and select from ever-growing library of AI algorithms created by a community of service providers. Integrate AI services into your own applications, publishing infrastructure providers, both a central hub for creating, editing, and managing your AI services and tools to launch those services to a global market. Wow, this is really interesting. There's so much meat here that I'm not going to be able to go through it all during this video, but just know that this is why the price has seen huge increases recently, which you're going to see in a moment, and why I think this one has huge potential to keep going up and up and up for a very long time. AI, domain-specific language, DSL. They're creating a domain-specific language for AI, for these different AI algorithms and modules to communicate with one another, right? It's a platform they're creating to outsource work to each other, dynamically leveraging AI functions, exchanging input-output data, negotiating payments, and enhancing the agent reputation system. This pioneering AI network in which the intelligence of the whole greatly exceeds the intelligence of the part. AGIX is the actual token that you can purchase, which is the crypto token to be used to facilitate some of these transactions, right? They have a staking engine. It's bridged. It's on many different exchanges right now. It says earn more while holding AGX tokens by vesting them into sessions, which also support the operations of their blockchain network. Bridge allows the transfer of their tokens across supported blockchains such as Ethereum and Cardano. Let's jump real quick over to the AGI staking, which we'll see here in a moment. It should pop up here in just a moment. and we will jump in and see what that API is, it's that APRY is right now. So you can stake tokens here through this platform, earn more while staking and holding AGIX tokens, and you can facilitate that through Cardano or Ethereum. And it kind of just goes through the benefits. I'm not going to go through all this right now. It'll explain what staking is, which I think most of y'all know what staking is at this point. And then in terms of the products, schedule, let's look at the schedule real quick. So the schedule, staking schedule, current and past. All right, this is where I'm curious to see. Actually, I'm not quite sure exactly how the staking works here, but it's something to check out and another perk and benefit of this network. Let's jump back in here. Open HyperCon is a long-term project to implement a complete, scalable, and open source general and artificial intelligence system based on the principles of OpenCog. It is an open source platform where different AI strategies and methods such as neurosymbiotic AI, evolutionary learning systems, economic attention allocation, machine learning, and other AI approaches can collaborate based on a shared knowledge metagraph at atom space. Now, this is legit. This is the real deal. This ain't some scam. This ain't some quick project. You know, these people have been in the AI industry for a very long time. Ben Goertzel has based his entire career on creating AGI, artificial and general intelligence, and he's putting his money where his mouth is. And he's been building this out for many, many years and getting so much momentum and backers behind this. It's unreal what he's actually doing. This is Ben Goertzel right here. There's a quick video that explains what this is and how Cardano and AGIX have partnered together, or Singularity.net has partnered together. This is about their funding. This is their team, right? Chief CEO and chief scientist is Ben Goertzel. And then they got a whole team of folks behind this. Go read through some of this stuff. It will blow your absolute mind at what they're trying to do with this technology. Let's jump in and look at the technology a little bit more closely. Technology platform. Singularity Platform is an open and decentralized network of AI services made accessible through the blockchain. Developers publish their services to Singularity Network, where they can be used by anyone with an internet connection, right? Did you hear that? AI services are being made accessible through blockchain in a democratized, decentralized way to be able to be used by anybody out there. That's incredible, right? That's insane. Services provided, here we go. Developers are able to charge for the use of their services using the native AGIX token. Unreal, right? So the AGIX token is going to be tied to all these different AI services. This one seems like a bomb. This one seems like a winner for sure. Services can provide inference or model training across a myriad of domains such as image, video, speech, text, time series, bio AI, and network analysis. These services can be as simple as wrapping a well-known algorithm, a complete end-to-end solution for an industry problem, or a standalone AI application. Developers can also deploy autonomous AI agents that interoperate with services on the network. So think of like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or all the Mistral, all these different AI services that are popping up, all belonging to this technology platform that can then be called and used through a variety of different types of applications and service conduits facilitated by the AGIX token. Unreal, right? So there's an AI marketplace here, which we could jump into in a minute, which is part of the core platform. So there's an AI marketplace with these different services that you can tap into using the AGIX token. I'm not going to go through it all right now, but this just makes me excited. I wish I would have put a lot more money into AGIX because this is unreal what they're building now that I'm looking at it a lot more closely and more recently. Explore diverse AI services, demo AI services for free, make it your own AI, multiple pricing options, blah, blah, blah. They have a publishing service, which allows providers of AI services to publish and monetize their service through this open, decentralized AI marketplace. Again, unreal, right? And we're going to jump into the marketplace here in a minute because I want you to show you what's going on. We already jumped into staking. Let's jump into this AI marketplace a bit for just a moment and see what it's actually all about. So this is the marketplace. SongSplitter is the first mobile app to leverage Singularity Net AI services. And then there's a whole host of applications: Russian speech recognition, abstractive question answering, symbiotic similarity binary, multi-speaker separation, all these different functionalities that are going to be facilitated through this network can be used here and paid for with AGIX tokens. This one is I just can't believe how unreal this is. Large language models. I mean, you can go look through this yourself. Music, lyric generation, machine translation, music demixing. Man, I want to just kind of play in here for a few days and kind of look at what I can actually do. Get started. So I'm not going to spend too much time in the actual marketplace itself, but let's go back to the ecosystem. I think we've looked a little bit at the ecosystem, but let's take a closer look. So this ecosystem, it's pretty big and pretty broad. Singularity Net is at the beginning, but there's all these other AI services and service providers attached to this hub and spoke model. It goes through each of these different ecosystem players and what they're trying to do. For example, Rejuve.bio is a pioneering AI biotechnology firm dedicated to aging research. Cognito is an institutional grade investment products AI bot, let's say, if you will. Singularity DAO is a portfolio management protocol, so forth and so on. This just goes on and on and on. If we go back to the About Us, let's click on that. And let's take a quick look at who's backing this. Ben Goertzel, who I said. Ben Goertzel has been a pioneer in the AI space for a long time. David Hansen, big financier, big guy, and a lot of different things related to AI. A lot of different partners behind this. All right. So you get what Singularity Net is, right? Again, I want to just show you right here. This is Ben Goertzel. He has been a pioneer in the AI space for a very, very long time. Ben Goertzel is a computer scientist, artificial intelligence researcher, and businessman. He helped popularize the term artificial general intelligence. So he's the guy who actually created and coined AGI as a term, right? Unreal, unbelievable. The latest article is coming out about him. If you can see this down here, artificial super general intelligence could arrive by 2027, scientist predicts. Top scientist warns AI could surpass human intelligence by 2027. AI singularity may come in 2027. Top scientist warns AI could surpass all human intelligence in 2027. This is all Ben Goertzel. He's the one predicting this right now, right? Unbelievable, okay? If you go over to Twitter, you're going to see the AGI or the Singularity.net has 136,000 followers on here. Pretty impressive, if you ask me. A lot of people are behind this. A lot of people are interested in this. If you look at some articles, Singularity.net price predictions, is the AGIX crypto about to rocket on AI hype? Singularity.net price predictions are gaining traction on Thursday with increased trading. That's due to investors taking interest ahead of NVIDIA. Price predictions for AGIX are currently mixed. And then this article kind of goes in and talks about that a bit. If you look at the CoinMarketCap, it's already been going up, right? You can trade AGIX on multiple different domains: Binance, KuCoin, OKX, pretty much all the major exchanges. You can trade it. You could also trade it on MetaMask. And now, for the moment y'all been waiting for, look at this chart. So this chart is the weekly chart for AGIX, and you can see that it has recently, since January, it has gone up about 334%. The crazy thing is I was talking about this back in like 2019. I made a video about this, 2017 even maybe, when it was AGI, the token, and they've since switched it to AGIX. And this went all the way down to about 16 cents. Can you imagine if you got in at 16 cents? You would have gotten a 600% increase. I'm not saying this to brag. I'm saying this because there is still a ton of potential right here for this price to go up. It has gone up significantly in the last several days, and I think it's going to have a pullback at some point, right? I think it is going to come back down at some point, but I would watch this one very, very closely. This is one of my favorite tokens of all time because it's backed by such, foundational principles, such foundational ecosystems, such foundational technologies. And AI is moving fast. AI is moving fast, and it is not slowing down whatsoever. So anyway, I hope you found this useful. This is AGIX. This is Dan from Crypto Camacho. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, comment in the comments about, if you think this is a good buy or sell, what you think you should enter it at it or whatnot. But I think this one's going far, guys. This one's going through the moon, and we'll see what happens. We'll see you on the other side. See ya.